What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video that we are bringing to your faces. Again, I am joined by Jake.
How you doing?
Money Mitch, Camo Kid, and we got Codes on the camera. Today we are going to be, Jake's actually going to be putting a new motherboard, new processor, and a new water cooler into his computer, which is the nice Corsair water cooler with its RGB, just like everything else Jake has in his computer. And he is still obviously sticking with his 980 Ti.
Yeah.
So, let's get right into it, shall we? Oh my god!
Shit, how the fuck did that happen?
I don't know.
Up here. Holy shit. This thing's a big boy too.
Very big boy. Won't y'all look at that?
Won't y'all look at it? Wow. You know.
You grabbed like full length scissors?
Yeah.
This is fucking hilarious.
Fucking.
He needs like a few more inches of SATA cable.
Oh, I'll give him a few more inches.
Yeah, no you won't. So he needs... No, I'm sure it's huge.
Oh, this floor is so fucking comfortable.
Good, no, right?
It's kinda dumb. Yeah, we got the... Do me a flavor. You missed.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
And there she is, ladies and gentlemen. She boots up. She runs. What the fuck's that noise? What is that awful noise? This fucking thing, dude. I'm right here. What the? Dude, I don't like that. I'm about to have another technical difficulty where Jake's computer explodes. Sounds like Cody's car taking off, dude.
Who's behind me? That's the graphics card.
What? Uh-oh. Jake, what the fuck did you not, or did you do, or did you not do when you cleaned it? Jake fucking broke it. Sabotage.
It sounds like the fans hitting the inside of the shroud right there.
Well, shit. We might have another issue on our hands, but regardless, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy that sweet little video. Dude, you turn that fucking thing off.
Whoa. hear any resistance if you spin it now?
Nope.
Had to do something with this.
Yeah, it was hitting something.
Yeah, I think it's still mad dusty.
Dude, where's the brush?
Where the fuck is the brush, Jake?
That's about it.
Yo.
What's good, man?
Dude, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh, you're shirtless too.
You installing some seatbelts into that computer?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be fucking safety.
Yeah.
You know what was hitting? The wires of the fan.
What?
Yo.
Yeah. Hey, nothing now.
That was a scary sound, let me tell you.
That is, we have come to the end of a journey here tonight. We
Yeah.
have installed you installed your new motherboard, new processor, new water cooler, and then we thought that we had to get another cable and we didn't. Is there somebody out there?
The rain on the thing, dude. Look how much RGB is going on in there for real.
Oh yeah, dude, the RGB
Even the
is
strips.
unreal, dude. He has the strips going here, he has the...
Underneath there.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Well, I hope you guys did enjoy that video. It's going to be a fun one to edit, fun one to kind of go about. And, you know, a lot of behind the scenes shit going on tonight. So, again, I really hope you guys did enjoy that. And
Yeah.
we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah.
Later, nerds.